Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lasagna. This is a very easy and super simple recipe. So when you're just on a run and you just want to make something nice and quick, this is perfect to make. So go ahead and stay with me so I can start showing you guys how. Okay, to get started, our easy ingredients, we will need the lasagna pasta. We're going to be using a pound for ground beef. I'm using traditional pasta sauce. I'm going to be using mozzarella cheese, and in total I have 16 ounces, and here I have 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, and I'm going to be using half of the parmesan cheese. And that is it, guys. That's all you need. So simple and easy to make. So let's go ahead and start cooking. Okay, so for my pasta, I used 9 of the pastas in total, and I'm going to be adding salt into my pot that's already boiling, and I'm going to begin adding the pastas standing up in a way, and you just gotta make sure you're very gentle with it because they are very easy to rip apart, and we do not want that. Even if you do end up ripping them, it's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we're just gonna go ahead and let it boil. Okay, and here I already went ahead and added my ground beef, and I'm going to be seasoning it with salt and pepper. So just make sure you season your meat good, just so it gives it more flavor when you add it all together with the pasta sauce. And then you're just going to begin mixing, make sure everything, the salt, everything gets mixed together. And now we're going to begin adding the pasta sauce into the ground beef mixture, and we're just going to go ahead and add half, and then we'll continue to add on more. We just want to mix it around, and after it's mixed, you want to go ahead and taste it and make sure if it needs more salt or pepper. We want to make sure it's nice and seasoned, so it just gives it that flavor. So here I'm going to go ahead and add more pasta sauce, just so when we add it into the layers of the lasagna, it's nice and juicy and not just pure meat. And I'm going to go ahead and add more pasta sauce. You're going to know exactly how much more it needs, up to your liking. So if you want more, if you want less, however you prefer your pasta, and also re-add salt and pepper if it needs as well. Okay, I went ahead and added my ricotta cheese, and in total it is 15 ounces. So I went ahead and used a whole cup, and you could go ahead and add more ricotta cheese if you like. There's bigger sizes of the ricotta cheese. It's just preference up to your liking. You could also add egg. In the previous recipes that I've done, I've added egg before. Today I just felt like making it more cheesier, and I'm gonna be adding about half of the mozzarella cheese, and I'm also going to be adding half of the parmesan cheese as well. So I'm only using half of the mozzarella and the parmesan cheese. I'm just making it more cheesier for my daughter, since she's a little picky, so I'm trying to make it more cheesier. So you could do it this version, or you could also add an egg and then just mix it around. It's probably a little bit easier to spread onto the pasta. And after we mix, we are going to be adding salt and pepper, just so it gives it a little bit more taste. You could also add oregano or whatever seasoning you like. And that's it. Just mix it, and then it should be ready to be added onto our lasagna. I am using a 9 by 13 inch dish, so you can use you shut up. You could go ahead and use any kind you want, and I'm gonna begin adding the pasta sauce, and you're just gonna go ahead and begin spreading it. After you're done spreading your pasta sauce, you're going to begin adding your lasagna. And my lasagna, after it was done boiling, I went ahead and removed it from the boiling pot, and then I just carefully removed them to make sure they do not break or rip apart. And I just let them sit down, so they wouldn't stick to each other or rip apart. So I'm using 3 in total, and here I'm just making sure they are pretty close to each other and pretty stuck and pressed down evenly. And now I'm going to be adding my ricotta cheese. So you just want to go ahead and spread that evenly on each lasagna, so you get pretty much most of the ricotta cheese everywhere. I mean, that's pretty much being your paste, so you could continue adding on your other ingredients. And next, I'm adding mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I spread that evenly. I'm trying to make this lasagna very cheesy, so everybody loves cheese, so why not make it super cheesy? So keep adding lots of cheese evenly everywhere, and then you're gonna go ahead and begin adding your pasta mixture with the sauce and the ground beef, and you're gonna go ahead and add it pretty much evenly everywhere, and it's gonna be a repeat process. So after you're done with that, you'll see that we're gonna continue adding on the lasagna, and then the ricotta cheese, and then the mozzarella, and then the meat. So go ahead and stay tuned, and you're gonna keep seeing the repeat process. And for our last step, we're going to be adding the rest of the mozzarella cheese. So here I'm finishing up the whole bag, and I'm just making sure all the cheese is spread on evenly everywhere, just to make it super cheesy. And that is it. After you're done adding your cheese, you're gonna go ahead and add it into the oven, and it's gonna be for about 35 to 40 minutes. And after about 40 minutes, the lasagna is done. Now just go ahead and let it cool off for about 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. It was super easy, simple, and delicious to make. So go ahead and give it a try. I promise you guys are gonna love it. As for me, for being a mom and a wife, sometimes, if I'm doing errands, I don't have time to make a big meal. So this was super easy and fast to make. So go ahead and give it a try. I promise you guys are gonna love it. It doesn't have to look perfect. As long as your family likes it, you should be good. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give it a like. Thank you.